The water protectors are standing rock can be our inspiration. We do not get power from being against something. We are powerful when we are standing together for that which we love, the earth and its water.
Drought is a prolonged dry period in natural climate cycle that can occur anywhere in the world. It is a slow onset disaster characterized by the lack of precipitation resulting in a water shortage. Drought can have serious impact on health, agriculture, economies, energy and the environment. An estimated 55 million people globally are affected by drought every year, and they are the most serious hazard to livestock and crop in nearly every part of the world. Drought threatens people's livelihood, increase the risk of disease and death, and fuel mass migration. Water scarcity impacts 40% of world's population, and as many as 700 million people are at risk of being displaced as a result of drought by 2030. Rising temperature caused by climate change are making already drier regions drier and wetter regions wetter. In dry regions, this means that when temperature rises, water evaporates more quickly and thus increase the risk of drought or prolonged period of drought. Between 80 to 90% of all documented disasters from natural hazards during the past 10 years have resulted from floods, drought, tropical cyclones, heat waves, and severe storms. Severe drought can also affect air quality by making wildfire and dust storm more likely, increase health risks in people already impacted by lung disease like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or with heart disease.
The pie chart above the screen shows the region in India more likely to be affected by drought. Here in the chart, we can see Rajasthan is more likely to be affected by drought in India than any other state. Then after Uttar Pradesh with 16% probability and next Gujarat and Bihar with roughly 15% probability. Then the states which have very less chance to be affected by drought like Madhya Pradesh and Haryana with roughly 12% probability. After that Punjab which is the last in this list with having 4% of chance to be affected by drought.
एक गंभीर आपदा है जो पूरी मानव जाति, वन्य जीवन और वनस्पति को बहुत प्रभावित करती है। इसके अलावा एक क्षेत्र जो सूखे का अनुभव करता है, उसे आपदा से उभरने के लिए बहुत समय की आवश्यकता होती है। यह एक गंभीर स्थिति है जो जीवन की गुणवत्ता और कामकाज में हस्तक्षेप करती है।
Everybody, I am Om Prabhas Rao. Today I am going to tell something about the hazardous effect of the drought. A drought is an event prolonged surface shortage in the water supply, whether atmospheric below average precipitation, surface water and the groundwater. A drought can be last for a month or year, or may be declared after as few as 15 days. It can have a substantial impact on the economic, agriculture and of the affected region, and the harm to the local economic. Annual dry season in the tropic significantly increase the chance of the drought developing and subsequent bushfire. Period of heat can significantly worsen drought condition by hastening evaporation of water vapor. Drought is a recurring features of the climate in most part of the world. However, the regular drought have become more extreme and more unpredictable due to the climate change. Throughout the history, Humans have usually viewed drought as a disaster due to the impact of the food ability and the rest of the society. Humans have often tried to explain the drought as either a natural disaster caused by the humans or the result of the supernatural force. So, by this, I conclude the topic, the hazardous impact of the drought here. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Topic: Drought. A massive disaster. A drought is an event of prolonged shortage in the water supply, whether atmospheric pressure, below average precipitation, surface of water, or groundwater. Is a drought can last for months or a few years, or may be declared after as few as 15 days. It can have a substitutional impact on the ecosystem and agriculture of the affected region and harm to the local economy. Annual day seasonal is the tropic significantly increase the chances of drought developing and subsequent bruises fires. Periods of heat can significantly worsen drought condition by harvesting evaporation of water vapor.